just saw this wild story that Joe Rogan might replace Anderson Cooper on 60 Minutes. Did The Simpsons predict this? Because The Simpsons are pretty good predicting these crazy things. Now listen, I've been watching Joe Rogan for years. I first saw Joe Rogan on news radio, and then he went from that to Fear Factor, and he went from there to UFC. And I saw him being an early adopter on podcasting, and people weren't really paying attention. And now he's the biggest, and not the most biggest podcaster in the world. Got nothing against Joe Rogan. He has some interesting guests. Some I agree with, some I don't agree with. But the idea that you're taking this journalistic show like 60 Minutes and you give one of those slots to Joe Rogan. And Joe Rogan is a good interviewer, but he's not Anderson Cooper. He's not Scott Pelley. He's not Mike Wallace. He's not Harry Reasoner. He's not. Oh my God! But this is from Bari Weiss. Bari Weiss, who is head of CBS News, installed by David Ellison, the president and chairman of Paramount Skydance, soon to be Warner Bros. Discovery. He put her in place, and her whole thing is she wants things to go viral. She wants things to go viral. She wants to have stuff that you can find those clips online. So she's looking for viral moments. And a lot of times, 60 Minutes does not have viral moments because they have an older demographic. But see, the thing about that older demographic is consistent because they tune in and watch 60 Minutes every week. And advertisers know this because older people tend to have a lot of money, more so than younger people. And why would you, if you're CBS News, I don't know why they're trying to destroy 60 Minutes. But why would you alienate the older audience? Because they do have a lot of pharmaceutical advertisers. 60 Minutes makes a lot of money revenue-wise for CBS. But I said this in my other video. I want Bari Weiss to succeed in destroying 60 Minutes. So if she wants to add in Joe Rogan, so be it. And the ratings are going to tank, and the advertisers are going to drop. And the Ellison family, led by David and his dad, Larry Ellison, who's from Oracle, they're going to lose money, and because they have overextended themselves buying CBS, Paramount, Warner Bros. Discovery, they have overextended themselves, and plus they have a lot of Saudi money. Saudi money is now mixed up in here. And the one thing I know about the Saudis, if they see something not making money, it's like, we're out. We're out of here. So I actually want this to happen. I want Bari Weiss to put in Joe Rogan. And I want my dad to say, who's this? Who's Joe? Who? He's not even a good interviewer. I'm watching Dance with the Stars. I want people like my dad turn off 60 Minutes. Because the quicker that happens, the quicker we're going to get the Ellison family out of here. The quicker we get Bari Weiss out of here. And this is not a knock against Joe Rogan. And Joe Rogan has a lot of fans, but we've seen this with Fox. We've seen this like when Megyn Kelly went over to the Today Show, and the Today Show gave her all that money, and they gave her the third hour. She got no ratings, and people hated her. And again, I've said this before, she's doing great on YouTube, and she's making a lot of money. She's fine now, but that Fox News audience didn't follow her to NBC because that's the liberal media. It's the same thing with Joe Rogan. Do you think Joe Rogan's fans, which is tons and tons of fans, do you really think that all of them are going to go over to 60 Minutes? They'll watch him and it's like, this story's woke. This is just liberal media. No, they're not going to watch that. Now, Bari Weiss had a 60 Minutes online where it was like guys like Joe Rogan and other podcasters that she liked. If she had an online version of 60 Minutes, that would have been fine. But again, that's what happens when you hire somebody who don't know what the hell they're doing. So the next time someone screamed DEI hire, or he or she's just there because they're African American, I want to point to this woman each and every time. Hey, y'all, whenever someone says DEI hire, point to Bari Weiss. She never ran a news department in print. She never ran a news department in TV, yet she's making these decisions like adding Joe Rogan to 60 Minutes. If that's not a classic DEI hire, I don't know what is.